Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. This is the first video of the series which I call the tensor in a simple language. So I'm going to explain the scalars and the vectors and then tensors. Okay, as we all know with our previous knowledge that scalars are those quantities which have magnitude and proper unit, and there is no need of direction in explaining the scalar quantity. Okay, and the vector quantities are those quantities which have specific magnitude, proper unit, as well as direction. But when we came across the tensors are those quantities which have different magnitudes with different directions. In vectors, we all know that there is one magnitude, one specific magnitude, unique magnitude, and it has a unique direction. Okay, but in tensors, we have different magnitude because vector can be split into its components. So each component have its own magnitude and its own direction. So there are so many quantities in physics in which we came across with the situation that they have different magnitudes in different directions, so they are called the tensors. Okay, in this course or in this series of tensors, we use some new terminology which can be useful for you if I use it in this first video. So I use all that terminology in all my other videos, so that if you uh, if you understand that terminology, then there is advantage for you. Okay, so I'm going to explain the scalars in the modern terminology, in the latest terminology. So scalars are those quantities which are invariant. Okay, invariant means, I when I use the word invariant, it means the constant. Okay, so scalars are those quantities which are invariant and cannot be changed due to the coordinate transformation. As we all know that what are the coordinates: Cartesian coordinates, spherical coordinates, and polar coordinates, cylindrical coordinates. We generally we are using the Cartesian coordinates in simple language, or in simple cases in the physics. So if we rotate some with some angle, then there is a quantities which can be scalar, which we call as scalar, which are invariant, which are constant when we rotate the axis. Okay, so this was the first lecture, or this was the first example or definition, let's say definition, which you have to memorize, and for the further discussion on tensors. Okay, I'm going to end my video with this, because I I want you to understand this in a very digestive way. When I explain my concepts, actually, when we have to uh, um, when we have to let's say have to make ourselves expert in some field, then we have to teach it. So that's why the reason behind of making these videos is that I am also going through with all these difficulties in understanding the tensors. So I'm going to teach you. That's why, so that I can also um understand them fully, and you also have to have gain some uh, help from me in understanding the tensors. Okay, uh, thank you for watching. If you are new to the video, then please subscribe my channel, and give me a like, thumbs up, so that it can encourage me to do more and more work. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.